In an era of algorithm-saturated feeds and the relentless noise of the public square, the private digital community has emerged as the new sanctuary, promising a shortcut to mastery and a refuge from the chaos. It is a modern gold rush where the currency is proximity and the gatekeepers are often more skilled at the sale than the stewardship. But before crossing that paywall, the discerning traveler must peer through the glossy marketing to find the pulse of actual engagement, not just a graveyard of unanswered posts and recycled PDF guides. A true community is an ecosystem, not a broadcast. It requires a living, breathing culture where the value is generated by the collective, rather than just extracted by the founder. If the architecture of the space doesn't invite you to contribute your own bricks to the wall, you aren't joining an inner circle. You're simply paying for a seat in a very expensive, very quiet room. As online platforms promise connection and belonging, it's essential for seekers to scrutinize their offerings. A genuine community thrives on active participation, where the voices of many resonate and ideas flourish. It's in the shared discussions, the vibrant exchanges, and the collaborative spirit that true value emerges. Avoid the allure of passivity disguised as privilege. Instead, opt for spaces that celebrate contribution and creativity. Consider whether the members are engaged or if they simply hover, waiting for the next directive from the leader. To truly belong, one must invest energy and enthusiasm, cultivating relationships that elevate the entire group, rather than wallowing in solitude amidst a sea of strangers. After all, the most rewarding experiences come from being part of something dynamic and alive. Before committing to a digital community, assess the architecture of interaction within. Are there ample opportunities for members to share their insights and expertise? A thriving environment encourages diverse voices, weaving together a tapestry of thoughts and knowledge. If you find a space where contributions are celebrated and collaboration is the norm, you're more likely to find genuine engagement. On the contrary, an echo chamber, filled only with repetitive content, may suggest a superficial experience where true connection is far from reach, leaving you with nothing but a hollow echo of missed potential. In the quest for belonging, the discerning traveler must remember that true community is built on mutual care, exploration, and growth. Embrace the vibrant essence of collaboration, and you will uncover the transformative power of connection in this digital landscape, enriching not just yourself, but all around you. As you venture into this realm of digital communities, it's crucial to gauge the pulse of interaction within them. In the best environments, members don't just observe, they actively partake, sharing their triumphs and tribulations. Look for spaces buzzing with energy, where questions ignite discussions and insights are met with applause. Engaging with others is what propels the collective forward, sparking innovation and fostering a rich tapestry of ideas that can only emerge through collaboration. Authentic engagement feels more like a vibrant marketplace than a lonely gallery, where the hum of conversation creates an atmosphere alive with possibility. Seek out those spaces that challenge you, where your own contributions are not only welcomed but also essential. When you feel the energy shifting as voices intertwine, it signals growth and creativity. That's when you know you've found a true community. Beware the spaces that resemble a mausoleum more than a marketplace, where discussions stall and participation wanes. Reflect on the value of your presence. Your input should resonate within the group, shaping the culture and direction. Yet, as you navigate this vibrant landscape, it's equally important to look beyond the surface-level engagement. A true community thrives when its members are not only sharing insights but also challenging each other to think critically and expand their horizons. Pay attention to the nature of feedback given. Constructive criticism and encouragement are the lifeblood of growth. If only praise is offered, it may indicate a lack of sincere interaction, hindering the potential for deeper learning and collaboration. This ecosystem should encourage you to take risks, experiment with ideas, and push boundaries, allowing both individual and collective evolution. Your journey should feel like an exploration, where every contribution has the potential to spark new avenues of thought and creativity. Embrace this interconnectedness. It forms the foundation of a fulfilling digital experience that transcends the transactional. In spaces where this dynamic flourishes, you'll discover not just information, but the joy of building something greater together. The resonance of shared purpose creates a path toward lasting transformation, where every voice matters and every journey contributes to a collective narrative. Consider how the shared responsibility for growth shapes the environment within these digital communities. It's imperative to recognize that each member carries the potential to influence the culture, making it vital to find a group that celebrates diverse perspectives. Look for moments when discussion flows seamlessly and creativity becomes contagious, sparking enthusiasm across the board. Members should feel empowered to voice dissenting opinions or propose alternative ideas without fear of dismissal. This inclusivity fosters a sense of belonging, as everyone learns from differing viewpoints and experiences. True community thrives on this rich interplay of thoughts, encouraging you to challenge your own assumptions while expanding the collective wisdom. Engage in spaces where curiosity reigns and exploration is encouraged, as these elements are what ignite true transformation and elevate the entire group. When you witness this collaborative spirit, you know you've stepped into an ecosystem that not only values each voice but also nourishes their growth, creating a vibrant tapestry of shared journeys and collective success. Cultivating a thriving digital community requires intentional effort from all its members. As you delve deeper, observe how interactions unfold. Are there genuine conversations or merely scripted engagements? Authentic outreach ignites passion and brings clarity, transforming passive spectators into active participants. In the end, the quest for belonging in digital spaces hinges on mutual respect, exploration, and shared growth. Embrace each interaction as an opportunity to enhance not only your journey but also that of others, crafting a community that thrives on collaboration and genuine connection.